Hello everyone, welcome to TxContact. In this video, we will be going through the various TxContact modules. First of all, let me give a preface to TxContact. TxContact is an end-to-end software-based contact center solution which includes functionality of handling inbound calls, IVR, call queuing, ACD for call distribution, different call distribution strategies, and so on. At TxContact, we also have a highly advanced outbound calling solution with various modes like the unattended outbound dialer, progressive outbound dialer, and the most advanced being the predictive mode. This video is created on a demo setup, and all the data shown here are internal to Interlink and Telnetics. Also, since this is a demo setup, the live dashboards would have very less data only of the agent being used during the demo. Hence, we would make use of some screenshots to showcase dashboards. During this video, we will be going over the different interfaces that an agent and the admin or supervisors will be using on TxContact. From an admin or supervisor's perspective, TxContact has 4 different web-based applications that they could be using with different functionalities. The access to these portals are all configurable, and the user access control can be completely controlled by your admins and supervisors. The 4 web portals that TxContact has are TxSmartQ, TxDialer, TxRecord, and TxReport. TxSmartQ is a console for managing the users, agents, and the queues. Also, TxSmartQ would be used for live monitoring of the agents and the queues at a contact center through a single web console dashboard. The dashboard that we provide shows real-time data with the data refresh interval being just 3 seconds. This is a sample screenshot of a queue's dashboard, and this of an agent's performance dashboard. TxDialer TxDialer Web Console is basically a campaign manager for outbound calling programs. The contact list needs to be pushed into the respective dialer outbound campaigns either manually by importing the list from a CSV file, or the contact data source like the CRMs could integrate directly with the readily available APIs of TxDialer. TxDialer provides different modes of dialing, as shown on this slide. TxRecord, as the name suggests, is the web console to be used by the contact center's quality teams for either listening to or assessing the historical call recordings for training and quality purposes. These recordings would be available for a duration as agreed to be the call recording retention period for every program. TxReport, again, as the name suggests, deals with the reporting requirements of the MIS teams of any contact center program. TxReport has a set of basic reports that come in as defaults for every program, and any customized reporting requirements could easily be catered to by our team. TxReport comes with various features like automated scheduled reports wherein the configured users would receive all the configured reports on their email or on a shared location automatically at the scheduled intervals. TxReport has the capability to provide all reports on an Excel, CSV, or a PDF format. Additionally, if the client has an internal engineering team who wishes to further perform data analysis on the contact center data, then we do have the capability to provide the CDRs in the XML and JSON formats over an API on the backend. Now, moving from an admin or a supervisor into an agent on TxContact, the agent would not need access to any of these web portals. For an agent on TxContact, TxContact has an in-house designed softphone application, Chirp, that works well on Debian as well as Windows desktops. An agent can launch his or her Chirp application by entering the unique credentials provided On launch, an agent gets a full screen soft phone, which covers all the basic functionalities of a phone. Like we see here, the soft phone has a dial pad for manual calling and a contact manager window for managing contacts and for a quick look into the call history. The largest section of the app, which currently displays the website of Telnetics, is taken by the built-in web browser. This browser is provided so that TxContact can automatically pop up the customer account page on the CRM that the client uses. Also, since the phone module and the CRM would be on the same window, the agent does not have to continuously switch between applications. The startup URL on the browser window can be centrally provisioned for all agents as per business requirements. Let us now get into a live call demo. First of all, let me log in as an agent. Let me demo the live call from an outbound dialer perspective. This is a sample CSV contact list file on my system that I'll be importing onto the India demo pre-connect campaign. Let me only import the contact corresponding to my user, my cell phone. Since the campaign is on the progressive pre-connect mode, when the campaign started, the available agent would be getting a call and the relevant pop-up first, and the post the agent answers the customer would be attempted. In this scenario, the agent is on the soft phone on this system and the customer number would be that of my cell phone. Let me start the campaign. Let us wait for the call to be placed to an agent. The agent has now received the call and the relevant customer details pop up based on what was uploaded into the dialer on the contact list. The page displayed here is TxContact's dialer disposition page. This could be replaced by any CRM that the client wishes to bring on board, and the respective customer page on the CRM would pop up instead. The customer phone is now ringing. I have now answered the call on the customer's cell phone. During the call, the agent has all the basic features like mute, unmute, hold, unhold, transfer, conference, etc. Let me hang up the call. That's all, folks. Thanks for watching. Hope the session was insightful. Have a good day.